Understanding loyalty account in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase in English: loyalty account. This term is common in business and customer service contexts. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means. A loyalty account refers to a type of account or program offered by businesses to reward and encourage customer loyalty. Typically, these accounts are linked with special points, rewards, or benefits that customers earn by using the company's services or buying its products. To understand better, let's look at some examples. For instance, a coffee shop might offer a loyalty account where you earn a free coffee after purchasing 10. Or, an airline might have a loyalty account offering discounted flights or upgrades after a certain number of miles flown. Loyalty accounts are crucial in business as they help in retaining customers. They create a mutually beneficial relationship between the business and the customer. The business gains regular customers, and the customers enjoy rewards and special offers. Now, let's practice using the phrase in sentences. I signed up for a loyalty account at my favorite store to get discounts. Do you collect points on your airline's loyalty account? That's all about loyalty accounts. I hope this video helps you understand this common English phrase and how it's used in everyday conversations, especially in business contexts. Remember, learning a new language is all about understanding these little nuances. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.